Do you feel as if you're on a never-ending treadmill? You know what I mean. You work hard setting up promotions and putting out offers. Then, if you're lucky, perhaps you even make a few sales. But the next day, you're back to square one. You need to set up more offers, sort out more squeeze pages or bonuses, just so you can keep earning. The second you stop working, the money also stops, because no promotions equals no sales equals no cash for you. I bet you thought it wasn't supposed to be like this. Whatever happened to the laptop lifestyle? Whatever happened to holidays and fast cars and sitting around enjoying yourself? If all you're doing is swapping a 9-to-5 office job with a 9-to-5 work from home job, is it even worth it at all? Well, that's because you haven't discovered the power of residual monthly income. The reasons those gurus and super affiliates can lounge on the beach is because they've discovered a way to work smarter, not harder. That is the power of the monthly income system. You see, instead of having to promote offers day after day after day, seemingly without end, with the monthly income system, you do the work once and then get paid every month, over and over again. Here's how it works. Step 1. You pick up a copy of Monthly Income System before the price goes up. Step 2. Enter your affiliate link on the Done For You squeeze pages that we provide you with. And step 3. Set up your promos and get paid each and every month like clockwork. Make a sale today and still be getting paid from it 5 years from now. Now, does that sound more like the laptop lifestyle? Because with the monthly income system, we are offering the one commodity that no online marketer can afford to be without: traffic. And once we've given it to them, you can be sure that they will never want it taken away, as without it, their business could die. So they'll happily keep paying you month after month because their own income depends on it. When you unlock the power of the monthly income system, you will enjoy, perhaps for the first time, the liberating power of truly passive income. Sit back and relax as the payments roll into your account every single month without you having to lift a finger. Or perhaps you will decide to run a promo every once in a while, just to push your monthly income figure up even higher. But it's up to you. Perhaps you'd just rather order another cocktail and watch the waves come in, while your mobile continues to keep going ping. That's the power of the monthly income system. Right now you have two choices: carry on as before and stay on that treadmill, having to make new sales every single day to keep your head above water, or sit back and relax as the monthly income system brings you in sales on autopilot each and every month. Whichever you choose, good luck. But if it's the second one, and I hope that it is, then I'll see you inside the members area very soon.